Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the circuit on one wire. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cover from the work light. Now remove the 3 screws that secure the work light assembly cover. And I'll remove the cover. Now I have access to the switch. I'll pull the switch from the housing and remove the wires. Now I can install the new switch. I'll reconnect the wires and place the switch back into the housing. And now I'll reinstall the cover. And I'll finish by reinstalling the light cover. And now you can replace the switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up